Okay, hi guys. So Paul here from Babel Tech again. So in this video, I'm going to show you two things. I'm going to show you how you can add a coupon code field to your book a course form. So if you want to set up your form so that somebody can input a special alphanumeric coupon code, then they can get a discount. And so that might be a useful strategy for maybe pushing people who are just on the fence, about whether to book a program or not. So you could set up a discount code and connect that to like an expiry date. So you've got until October 31st to use this code. So that's kind of like a FOMO incentive, fear of missing out incentive for people to actually go ahead and book the course. So I'll show you how to set that up, and also I'll show you something else, which is how to use the conditional content settings for your site. So what that means is, let's say you want to show a discount code on this page. For people who are repeat visitors, let's say, so people who are coming back to your site, say, a second or third time. If they come back to you this page 2 or 3 times, then it's I think that we can say that they're probably on the fence about whether to buy or not. So having that kind of discount code offer could be just the thing that pushes them that extra step. So first of all, so this is the page. This is for the site template, which covers selling like exam preparation courses. And here's the booking form here. So you're offering a 10-week lesson package, $400. So what we can do is we can set up an extra field in here to enter a coupon code. So let's do that. So let's go to the dashboard. Let's go to forms. And actually, if we look under forms, if we look under coupons, you'll see that by default there is a coupon code already set up. If we look at the edit options for that, so you can see that this coupon is called 10%, and it gives a 10% discount. The coupon options here are where you can set a start date and an end date for the coupon. You can set how many times you want the coupon code to be used. So if you want it to be unlimited, just set that to some very high number, like 10,000 or something. And is stackable. Stackable means, is this coupon something that can be used in conjunction with another discount offer, which you probably don't want to do. I think it gets a little bit messy doing it that way. So I'd leave that one unchecked. So that's the default coupon that we have set up. So let's use that. Let's go to forms, and let's look at the this form here, book a lesson program, exam prep credit card. So if I click on edit. Okay, and if we come over here to pricing fields, you'll see that there's a field here for coupon. So I'm going to drag that across. I probably want that to be underneath the credit card details, but above the terms and conditions confirmation. So I just need to edit this a little bit. So instead of coupon, I'm going to call it coupon code. Be a good idea to give it a description too. So I'll say enter or enter a valid coupon code to get a discount. Okay, that looks good. Right, so let's update that form. Okay, let's come back to the come back to the front end, and I'm going to refresh my page here. So you can see I'm logged in at the moment. That's why I can see this this toolbar at the top here. So somebody coming to the front page wouldn't see that, of course. So let's refresh that page. Right, so now you can see I've got this new field in here for a coupon code. So let's test it. So if somebody types in 10%, so you can see they get this $40 discount, which is 10%. So, and the new price is $360. So so that works, and it should be case insensitive as well. So it doesn't matter whether people input uppercase or lowercase letters for your coupon code. So that's good. So that's all set up fine. And you could use like your email newsletter list to send out coupon codes to all of your subscribers. You could publish that coupon code, let's say, on your Twitter feed, so all of your Twitter followers would know about it, on your Instagram, etc., etc. So this is where you can really leverage social media to its fullest extent. Let's say what we want to do though is I would like to show a message in here. I've prepared the message actually. Use the coupon code 10% and you will receive a 10% discount on your course, valid until October 31st. So I'm going to just copy all of that. Okay, now what I want to do is come back to the dashboard, and if we look over here, this option here, if so. So this if so is a plugin that allows us to create conditional content settings. So depending on whether some conditions are met, the visitor will see this content or not. Let's see what I mean. I'll just move myself out of the way. So if we look at all triggers, so there are no triggers at the moment. So let's add a trigger. And let's call this trigger 10% for return visitors. Okay, now we need to set a condition. So what's the condition? So there are a bunch of different conditions that we can set for this. It's really very powerful, very flexible. So for example, we could set up a condition where we show a message based on the device that someone's using, like whether it's a mobile phone or a tablet or a laptop. I'm not sure why you want to do it in this case, but that's an option. We got user behavior, and this is the one that we're going to use. User behavior covers like whether someone's a first-time visitor or a repeat visitor. We got other things like refer a source, so like whether they're coming to your page from a Google text ad or whether they're coming from Facebook or Twitter, and so on. So we can show this depending on the URL of your site. So if you only want to show this message, and under a particular URL, you could do it that way. And so on. You can see there's a lot of different options here. This one, this UTM. So this is like if you're running a like a Facebook ads campaign, and you're running a bunch of different Facebook ads, and you can put a kind of a tag on the end of your URL that identifies it uniquely. So that's called a UTM, and it'll show the dynamic content based on whatever that UTM is. But anyway, we'll probably do that in a different video. What I want to show is this one, user behavior. So is this visitor a new visitor or returning visitor? Another option here, which I think is very useful to know about, is browser language. So I could set up this language. I could set up this browser language. So let's say if somebody's browser is is set for Japanese, then I can show some dynamic content to them. And for example, I might want to include some Japanese text in here, or maybe like in Japan we have some special holidays every year. There's in May there's Golden Week where the, everyone gets like 5 or 6 days off. Um, so you might want to say, for example, Golden Week special or something like that. If someone's coming to your site from Japan, and if it's within a particular, a time window. So those are some ways that you can use this dynamic content. But let's keep it simple today. Let's say if it's a returning visitor, and show this content after their first visit. So I could set this to shows to a returning visitor who's already been here 2 times or 3 times or whatever number of times. But we're going to make it after they've already visited once. So let me paste in this text that I copied just before, and just let's give this a bit of formatting. Let's make that bold, and let's use some text color. Yeah. Okay. I want to make that. Let's make that a bold orange so it stands out a bit. Yep. And I'll probably want to format that so it's centered. Okay, so that's probably going to work. So let's publish that. Oh, by the way, so this is the conditional content that we're going to show. If the visitor doesn't meet these conditions, for example, if they are first-time visitor, then they get the default content, and the default content in this case is nothing. I'm just leaving it blank. But you could set up something else there if you wanted first-time visitors to see a different message. So anyway, let's publish that. Okay, so that says it's published now. So I just moved myself out of the way. So I want to get this short code here, so that you can see everything between these square brackets. These are what we call short codes. I'm going to copy that. Now, if I come back to my front end, and I'm going to click on the page editor. And what I want is this HTML module here. So I'm going to drag that in there. And so in the editing window, I just have to paste in the short code that I need to do there, and hit done, publish, and let's refresh the page. Okay, and so you can see here, this is the message that a return visitor is going to see. Use the coupon code 10% and you will receive a 10% discount on your course. So let's test this now. So I'm going to copy the URL here, and I'm going to open a incognito window in Google. In case you're not sure how to do this, it's Control-Shift-N on your keyboard. So this opens up a new window as if you've never visited this site before, so there's no cookies or anything like that. I'm going to paste in that URL, hit enter, and there we go. So I don't see the message now, which is what we wanted, because we only want to show the coupon code to return visitors. So that's exactly what we wanted. Yeah, and I just refresh the page as if I'm returning to this page again, like I'm showing this page a second time. as far as this browser window is concerned. And now I see this, this coupon code message. So that's exactly what we wanted. All right, so that's how you use coupon codes for your booking form, and how you use the conditional content feature using those conditional triggers. So I hope that's a useful feature. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out and I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you.